Hello guys, welcome to Python programming tutorials. In this video, I will explain about Python control structures. So let's get started. So what are control structures? Control structures are responsible for the flow of statements. That is, control structures will execute statements of the program and they have capability to decide when to execute a specified statement, right? So if you know the concept of flowcharts, then we know that flowchart is a flow of statements with the pictorial representation, right? So you will understand control structures better with the help of flowcharts. So let's see the types of control structures. We have sequential, conditional and iterative statements. So let's see one by one. So first we have is sequential statements. So sequential statement is a step-by-step process to execute the program. That is, look at this following flowchart. So we do step A, after step A we do step B, after step B we do step C, right? So here the flow is one after the another, right? A, B, C, then end the program. So sequential statement is a step-by-step process to execute the program, right? So the next we have is conditional statements. Conditional statements, as the name indicates, the statement will be executed based on the condition. Suppose say that number equal to 211. So we will put one condition that if number is greater than 100, then we will print greater. Otherwise we will print not greater. So we assume that number equal to 211. Is 211 greater than 100? Yes, right? So it will execute true statement and it will print greater. So in the end it will print done. Okay. So that's how conditional statement will work. So the next we have is looping or iterative statements. So it is a repetition process until the condition is false. Okay. Look at this flow chart. We have initially x equal to 0. So we have a condition that x is less than 10. If yes, then do the task, then increment the value by 1, that is increment x. So now x will become 1. So is 1 less than 10? Yes. Again do the task and increment the x value by 1. So now x will become 2 and again you need to do the task and increment by 1. You need to increment until the condition is false, right? Suppose if the value of x is 10, say, so now 10 is less than 10? No, right? So it will execute the end statement. So the condition here it will become false and it will come out of the loop, right? So this is about 3 types of control structures. So in the coming videos I will explain more on conditional and looping statements. So that's all I had for this tutorial. Hope you all like this video. Thank you for watching.